Good morning, friends. It is a sunny day in the forest. Wake up, Squirrel. Good morning, Fox.
I am sleepy.
Time to wake up, dear.
Good morning, Fox. Thank you.
Wake up, Hedgehog.
Hello, Fox. I am awake now.
Listen, the birds are singing.
Tweet, tweet, so beautiful.
Stretching feels good.
Yes, I feel happy and awake.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth.
Bubbles are fun.
Wash your face, nice and clean.
Cold water is good.
Let's get ready for breakfast.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Breakfast time. Look at the yummy food.
Nuts for me.
This bread is yummy. Eat slowly.
Nuts are so tasty. Crunch, crunch.
Leaves and apples are fresh. Very yummy.
Berries are sweet. I like them.
Drink water slowly.
Yes, fresh and cool.
Thank you for breakfast, friends.
Thank you. It was yummy.
Let's clean up. Cleaning is fun with friends.
Good job, everyone.
Let's walk and see the flowers. Yes, pretty colors. Look, red flowers and yellow flowers. So beautiful.
Let's play! Run slowly!
Yay!
Time to rest. The forest is peaceful.
I feel happy.
More berries? Yes, please! Yummy, yum, yummy. What a nice day. Good night, forest friends. Sleep well.
Good night.